Have you ever stopped to think about how the everyday foods you consume could be silently damaging your liver? Your liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins, metabolizing nutrients, and maintaining overall health. However, certain foods can put a strain on this hard-working organ, leading to various complications. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty and discuss the top foods that are notorious for being harmful to our liver. Number 1. Ultra-processed foods. Instant noodles, supermarket boxed burgers, and other ultra-processed foods often contain high amounts of preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. These additives can overwhelm the liver, making it difficult for the organ to process and eliminate toxins effectively. Consuming these foods regularly can lead to fatty liver disease and inflammation, which can progress to more severe liver damage over time. Number 2. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugary foods and drinks, including sodas and candy, pose another significant risk to liver health. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar, particularly in the form of sugary beverages and processed snacks, can contribute to the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. When the liver is constantly exposed to high levels of sugar, it can lead to the accumulation of fat within the organ, which can impair its function and cause inflammation. Number 3. High-sodium food. Foods high in sodium, such as processed meats, canned soups, and fast food, can put a strain on the liver. High sodium intake can lead to water retention, which can cause inflammation and swelling in the liver. Additionally, the preservatives used in many high-sodium foods can be taxing on the liver's detoxification processes. Number 4. Red meat. While red meat is a good source of protein, consuming it in excess can be problematic for liver health. Red meat is high in saturated fat and heme iron, which can contribute to the development of NAFLD and liver inflammation. It's essential to consume red meat in moderation and balance it with a variety of other protein sources. Number 5. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, often found in diet sodas and sugar-free products, may seem like a healthier choice but can still negatively impact liver health. Some studies indicate that certain sweeteners can contribute to liver inflammation and exacerbate conditions like NAFLD, suggesting that even these alternatives should be consumed cautiously. It's best to limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural alternatives or whole foods whenever possible. Number 6. Fried food, super oily foods. Fried foods, such as French fries, fried chicken, and donuts, are high in unhealthy fats and can be difficult for the liver to process. The high heat used in frying can also create harmful compounds that can damage liver cells. Consuming fried foods in moderation and opting for healthier cooking methods, such as baking or grilling, can help protect your liver. Number 7. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the most well-known causes of liver damage. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and when consumed in excess, it can lead to inflammation, scarring, and the development of conditions such as alcoholic fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. It's crucial to limit alcohol intake and to avoid binge drinking to maintain a healthy liver. Number 8. Packaged snacks food. One of the primary concerns with packaged snacks is their high sugar content. Many products, including chips, cookies, and sugary beverages, contain excessive amounts of added sugars, particularly high fructose corn syrup. In addition to sugars, packaged snacks often contain unhealthy fats, including trans fats and saturated fats. These fats are commonly found in processed foods such as fried snacks, baked goods, and margarine. Trans fats, in particular, are notorious for promoting liver inflammation and insulin resistance, which can further exacerbate the risk of NAFLD and other liver-related issues. The regular intake of these unhealthy fats can lead to a vicious cycle of weight gain and liver damage. While occasional consumption of packaged snacks may not lead to immediate harm, a diet high in these foods can significantly increase the risk of liver disease over time. To support liver health, it is essential to prioritize whole, minimally processed foods and limit the intake of packaged snacks. Remember, while these foods can potentially harm your liver, moderation is key. Maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being, and certain foods can play a significant role in supporting this vital organ. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful ally for liver health due to its high content of sulfur compounds, which aid in detoxification processes. These compounds help the liver eliminate toxins and may enhance its ability to metabolize fats. Additionally, garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can protect the liver from damage and promote overall health. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is another excellent choice for liver health, rich in antioxidants known as catechins. These compounds have been shown to improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation in the liver, making it beneficial for those at risk of NAFLD. Regular consumption of green tea may also help lower liver enzyme levels, indicating improved liver function. Number 3. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a nutrient-dense food that supports liver health through its high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is particularly rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy liver function and protecting the liver from oxidative stress. The fiber content in pumpkin also aids digestion and helps regulate cholesterol levels, further benefiting liver health. Number 4. Black coffee. Black coffee has garnered attention for its protective effects on the liver. Studies suggest that regular coffee consumption may lower the risk of liver diseases, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. The antioxidants in coffee, particularly chlorogenic acid, help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from damage. Moreover, coffee has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels, indicating better liver function. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is rich in glucosinolates, which support the liver's detoxification processes. These compounds enhance the liver's ability to eliminate toxins and may help reduce the risk of liver cancer. Broccoli is also high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, further supporting liver health. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient powerhouse that offers numerous benefits for the liver. They are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce liver fat levels. Additionally, avocados contain compounds like glutathione, which plays a crucial role in detoxifying the liver and protecting it from oxidative stress. Their high fiber content also supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for liver function. Number 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining liver health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting it from damage and supporting its overall function. Omega-3 fatty acids also prevent the accumulation of excess fats in the liver, helping to maintain a balance of enzymes essential for proper liver operation. Regular consumption of fatty fish can contribute to a healthier liver and improve its ability to perform vital detoxification processes. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is the most powerful spice that helps to maintain a healthy liver by protecting against liver damage and regenerate healthy liver cells. It also increases the natural production of bile. Turmeric also prevents fat accumulation in the liver, a problem that could lead to conditions like fatty liver, cirrhosis of the liver. Number 9. Beetroot. Beetroot is another fantastic food for liver health, thanks to its high content of antioxidants and nutrients like betaine. Betaine helps support liver detoxification processes and protects the liver from oxidative stress. The nitrates in beetroot also improve blood flow and oxygenation, which can enhance liver function. Regular consumption of beetroot can aid in the regeneration of liver cells and promote the overall health of the liver. Number 10. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and amino acids, particularly arginine, which supports liver detoxification by helping to remove ammonia from the body. The high levels of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts also contribute to liver cleansing and protection. Including walnuts in your diet can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, promoting better liver health and function. It's evident that the foods we eat play a significant role in our liver's well-being. By making simple yet impactful changes to our diet, we can protect our liver and promote overall health. You can also check out my other video that talks about cleaning your liver with the top best and worst foods for healthy liver. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and turn on the notification bell.